This is a bike to take your time and savor every mile. For 2026, it has sharpened its custom cruiser character with a more distinctive look, improved ergonomics, and new rider-focused technology. Muscular and imposing, the Speedmaster's low profile exudes cruiser confidence. A larger fuel tank, sharper bodywork, and refined details create a bolder presence. The updated 2026 model, also featuring new rider-focused technology, gains optimized cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control, which subtly give the rider an extra layer of confidence and control. What truly sets the Speedmaster apart is its ability to convey the timeless Bonneville character with factory-custom styling and versatility. Wider rider and passenger seats offer better support and greater comfort for longer rides, while new, more conventional handlebars create a more natural, yet relaxed, riding position. From its relaxed riding position and the evocative sound of its twin-cylinder engine to its elegant details and agile handling, the Speedmaster is all about riding pleasure. Available in two timeless color schemes, riders can choose between Carnival Red and Crystal White or Sapphire Black and Crystal White, each designed to complement the Speedmaster's custom cruiser stance. Increased fuel capacity not only enhances its long-distance capability, but also reinforces its commanding stance, reinforcing the Speedmaster's unmistakable silhouette. A refined evolution of Triumph's classic British cruiser, the Bonneville Speedmaster, has been unveiled, featuring a larger 14-liter fuel tank, enhanced comfort, and new rider-focused technology.
Bye.